Can you imagine living in darkness for 2 straight months? Welcome to Utqiagvik, Alaska, one of the northernmost towns on Earth where the sun sets in November and does not rise again until late January. This phenomenon is called the polar night, caused by Earth's tilt. The town is so far north the sun dips below the horizon for around 65 days. During this time it is not totally pitch black. There are a few hours of twilight each day, but still, no sunrise, no daylight. When the sun finally returns, it is a huge celebration, a symbol of hope and survival in one of Earth's harshest environments. Could you survive 2 months of darkness? Let me know, and follow for more insane facts.